I'm Josh with JC Woodworks. I just finished making this North Carolina themed serving tray, which you could also make it into wall art if you wanted to. But I used Upstart Epoxy's deep pour and tabletop resin and their mica powder. Let me show you how I did it. I have this template of North Carolina and it was the inspiration for this project. I start out by measuring the lumber to begin cutting it down to size. Then I flatten the lumber using my jointer and my planer. Next, I'll use the template to trace out the shape onto the milled lumber and carry it over to the bandsaw to trim it down. Be sure to cut just proud of the line and leave room to use the flush trim router bit. I use double-sided tape, but you could use hot glue if you prefer, and I attached the template. Using the flush trim bit on my router table, I trimmed the shape down to exactly match the template. Next, I'll break out my 18 by 12 silicone mold from Upstart Epoxy and coat it with a mold release spray. I'm doing a double pour to separate the ocean from the mainland, so I'm trying something new. I use a playing card and the craft stick to attempt to keep the two colors from blending too much. I've never tried this before, so I hope it works. Now I mix up Upstart Epoxy's deep pour resin at a 2-to-1 mix ratio and add some of their mica powder. For the ocean side of this tray, I went with one of my favorites, Ocean Blue Metallic. And then for the land side, I decided to use Forest Green. I grab my favorite helper and start this double pour. We time it out so that the resin doesn't break the makeshift dam that I installed, and what do you know, it worked. Now, deep pour epoxy, you can pour up to 2 inches, and it takes 72 hours for it to cure. So after waiting 72 hours, I'll demold it and then mill it down to shave off the excess resin and get it back flat. Then I take it over and square it up on the table saw and the miter saw. Then I'll give it a 1/4 inch round over on both sides, then sand it up to 320 grit. Make sure you don't skip any of the grits along the way. The next step is to mix up some Upstart Epoxy tabletop resin at a 1-to-1 mix ratio and then pour it for a flood coat. After that dries for 24 hours, I'll sand the bottom to 220 grit and then mark my holes to drill for the feet and the handles. Now, if you wanted to turn this into a wall art piece instead of a serving tray, then you could skip that part. Lather this baby down with some walrus oil, and then after that dries, you can add the feet and the handles. If you're using this for wall art, then instead you just add hanging hardware on the back. Either way, this thing is done. You can find all the products I used here on Upstart Epoxy's website. Thanks for watching.